Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, welcome back to Jhope World. Have another unboxing for you today, so let's get to it. First of all, I love the pretty rose packaging. A shame I have to tear into it. Okay, I ordered this from Macari. It's a set of Jhope PCs. And these are the freebies. Cute picture of Hobie there. And we have, I think it's Hobie, Jimin, and Tay. Because it looks like Tay's back here. Not unless that's JK, but looks like Taeyong. This is when they were a bit younger. All right. That is super cute. Cute freebies. All right. Let's take a look at the PCs I ordered here. Okay, they're made on a plastic type of card. It's really pretty. So I know these are like fan made. I like the design of them. Looks like it says Aquarius on there, but I'm not sure. I can't make out what's over here. Could say something else, but that's what it looks like. Because I'm an Aquarius too. It's pretty. I like the colors that they added with Hobie, so these just really caught my eye. His date of birth. This one says Cherry Hosek. All About You, I think it says. Yeah, I love these. They're really pretty. I just had to get these, so, and then I have quite a few copies of cards like this one. I don't know what set this is from. Never mind my Senegal parrot. He likes to get excited sometimes. I love this from the Love Yourself tier. I think it's version R, if I'm correct, where they're in denim. I love that, and I also love Hosek in leather. I don't know if that's version O. I can't quite remember. That says Blue Jacket. Back to the front. I just had to get these PCs because I love the colors. They pop. There's a few that are just like regular on stage photographs. But still, I mean, this is just really pretty. Love the design. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so now. And click the bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. See you later. Annyeong. Bye.